Today I'm showing you exactly how to make perfect homemade eclairs with custard filling, step by step so they turn out light and airy every single time. I'll also share my secret for baking them just right, so your eclairs come out perfect every time. Welcome to Silka Kitchen. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, pour 3/4 cup of water, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/3 cup of butter. Keep stirring with a silicone spatula until the butter is completely melted. Now, without turning off the heat, add 1 cup or 130 grams of flour. Stir continuously until the dough comes together into a smooth, thick ball. If your dough looks too runny, just add 1 extra tablespoon of flour right away. Cook the dough for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Next, add the eggs, one at a time. Make sure they're at room temperature. You'll need a total of 3 eggs. The dough should be thick, glossy, and elastic. Transfer it into a piping bag. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and pipe out the dough. This amount of dough usually makes about 20 eclairs. Bake at 210 degrees Celsius, 410 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And whatever you do, don't open the oven. After 15 minutes, lower the temperature to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for another 15 minutes. They'll puff up beautifully, golden, hollow, and crisp. Now, let's make the creamy custard filling. In a bowl, whisk together 2 eggs, 1/2 cup, 100 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 3 heaping tablespoons of flour. Gradually pour in 1 2/3 cups of milk for 100 milliliters, whisking well so there are no lumps. Pour the mixture into a heavy saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly for about 10 minutes until it thickens and turns a pale yellow color. Now add 5½ tablespoons of butter, or about 80 grams, and mix until the batter is smooth and silky. If you notice any lumps, just give it a quick mix with a hand mixer. It'll turn out perfect. Now for the glaze. Melt 1 cup, 170 grams of milk chocolate, then add 3 tablespoons, about 50 grams of butter. Once it's melted, stir in 3 tablespoons of milk, around 40 milliliters. Mix until smooth and shiny. Once your custard is ready, transfer it to a piping bag with a small tip and fill your eclairs, or, for an easier way, just slice them open and spoon the cream inside. Dip each filled eclair into the warm chocolate glaze, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm sure this easy recipe will turn out great for everyone. Happy baking and good luck in your kitchen.